ViRadChem binder is a broad-spectrum binder designed to support the body's natural removal of environmental contaminants and foreign organisms. ViRadChem contains bioactive carbon, our proprietary blend of soil-derived fulvic acids that act as binders, drivers, and protectors that support the body at the cellular level. Other key ingredients in ViRadChem binder are acai fruit extract. Rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols, it supports antioxidant defenses to neutralize free radicals and promote cellular repair. Artichoke leaf extract contains cynerin, an antioxidant that aids liver function and bile production, supporting the natural detoxification and assisting in the removal of toxins. Broccoli sprout extract, packed with sulforaphane, it activates detoxification enzymes, supporting phase 2 of liver detoxification and the removal of harmful elements.